Hello everyone and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we're going to cook together a chicken biryani, which is a kind of a curry spicy dish. So let's go and tell you all the ingredients you need. So that's all the ingredients you need for the chicken biryani. So what we got here is about 10 garlic cloves just diced, 3 fresh tomato diced, 2 big handful of chopped coriander, parsley and dill, and about 4 green and red chili diced. And what we got here, 3 onion diced, and 300 ml of yogurt, and 150 ml of coconut cream. And I got here tomato juice, chicken stock, and I got diced chicken and basmati rice. And here what we got is a mix of cumin, coriander, ginger, paprika, turmeric, cardamom, garam masala and chili. So we put all this together and that's what is the curry powder. So let's go and start cooking. So what we got here, put some of the onion so to cook the chicken with, and I got some of the basmati rice which I'm frying now. So I'm going to do some Egyptian style rice. So fry some of the rice first, and here we've got some onion, so I'm going to roast all the spice we need for the biryani. So onion, garlic, let them cook together. Here's the onion. And when it starts go gold color, we're going to add the spice. Now I'm going to add the chicken here with the onion to cook them together. Now I'm going to put all the spice here and just roast it for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds, something like that. Now after we roasted them a little bit, go and put them aside here. When it goes to that golden color, we're going to add some more rice to it. And season it. Put some salt here and give it a nice stir. Now we're going to add the hot water. Now we're adding the hot water to the rice. A bit more. Put it in the back here and leave it to cook. So now we're going to add chopped tomato, and chili and the pepper. I'll put some salt and black pepper here with the chicken, and now I'm going to add the spice and the tomato juice, some of the chicken stock, Give it a nice stir. And leave them cook together. The coconut cream and the yogurt. Nice stir. Okay, now the chicken curry is cooked and I added all the fresh herbs in there. Give it a nice stir. And now the rice is cooked, it's about 80% cooked. And the curry is cooked. I'm going to put them together and do the biryani. So what we need to do here, carry like that. And now we're going to put the rice in the top and leave them cooked together. Put the rice on top, spread it. Put the rice, I'm going to press it, put it in the low heat, and put the cover, leave it for another 15 minutes to cook together. And now, after 15 minutes, the rice is fully cooked with the chicken biryani, and now we're going to serve it on a plate. So what we're going to do here, bring the big plate like that, put it in the top of the pot, flip it over like that. I'm trying to put it in the middle and carefully tap on the pot and take the hands out. That is what it looks like. Now we're going to do some garnish. Just rock it around. And we got some crispy fried onion. So that's the main ingredient of the biryani. And sprinkle it in the top. And after I put the fried onion, bit of garnish. And that is nice chicken biryani. Bon appetit.